Hi guys. Wifey never asks for anything, or she rarely does, and she asked for like a wooden thing to put her spoons down as she's cooking. So I prototyped this, 3D printed it, tested it out. She liked it, and I made one out of walnut. Crazy difference, huh? I think it's beautiful. Check out how I made it. First one fits. This one fits too. That's good. Yep, pretty great. Even the big one. Okay, the prototype is good. Select the cutters, cutting paths, and we're off to working with wood. Joint the board on one side and off to the planer. Yep, came out good. Perfect. Cut off a 6-inch strip using double-sided tape with some CA glue. Now it's on there. Cutting path is ready. Roughing path. Let's go. Yeah, the chips are perfect size. Roughing path done. Now finishing path with a bow nose. Looks beautiful. Yeah, it came out quite nice. I mean, it needs cleaning. Yeah, it needs a bunch of cleaning. But I was mentally ready for it. Lots of sanding, of course. And coat it with some utensil. I love how it looks on walnut. Yeah, I think it came out pretty beautiful. I think wifey's gonna like it.